Today, I'm going to show you how to install GIMP in Windows Terminal using a simple command, no complicated setup needed. This is a quick and easy way to get GIMP installed on your PC, especially if you want to avoid searching through websites and clicking through a bunch of download pages. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your terminal. You can do that by clicking the Start menu and searching for PowerShell or Command Prompt. If you already use Windows Terminal, that works too. The key thing is that you need a command line window open so you can run the install command. Once your terminal is open, click inside the window so your cursor is active. Now type the following command exactly as shown. Winget install GIMP. GIMP, this tells Windows Package Manager to find the official GIMP package and start installing it for you. After you press enter, Windows may ask you to confirm the source agreements. If that happens, just type Y and press enter to accept and continue. This is a normal part of using Winget, and it only takes a second. After that, the installer will begin downloading GIMP automatically in the background. You do not need to keep clicking next or manually run an installer file. Just let it finish. Depending on your internet speed and computer, this may take a few moments. While it installs, Windows is handling the setup for you, so all you really need to do is wait. Once the installation is complete, GIMP will be available on your computer like any other app. You can go back to the Start menu, search for GIMP, and launch it to make sure everything installed correctly. This method is one of the fastest ways to install software on Windows, especially if you want a clean, straightforward installation process. And if you ever need to reinstall GIMP later, you can use the same command again. So that's how you install GIMP in Windows Terminal using Winget. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.